So Kai, we're up here on Piggy's Mountain and we want to go to Williams Lake, but we can't see it. I think it's over a hill over there. And we looked in that general direction. We can't see the lake from Piggy's Mountain. That's hidden by a hill or something. So how are we going to get there, Kai?
So first we have to determine the direction, the angle from Piggy's Mountain right here to Williams Lake.
Okay.
So we would actually forget about the needle.
Yeah.
Like that's
we're not using the needle.
Yeah, we're not using the needle. We're using this compass as a protractor.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to have the arrow matched up with north. So that would be north and that would be south. So you gotta have the middle of the compass on top of your location,
which is on top of Piggy's Mountain.
Yeah, on top of Piggy's Mountain.
Okay, so that's the center.
So then.
And then you
Then you keep the dial steady and turn the compass.
So keep the dial pointing north, you mean?
Yeah.
And turn the base plate. That's called the base plate.
Okay. Until it's reaching.
To the arrow.
The arrow is reaching.
To the arrow points at Williams Lake.
Yeah. So in this case, that is 320 degrees. If we walk 320 degrees, we would
should be able to get there.
Yeah.
How are we gonna? And we got the angle off the map. We got the direction to go to. So now how are we going to start walking in that direction? Can you explain that to me?
So we're going to line up a red needle, imagine it's north, with
okay,
340.
but you set the compass. So the sighting line points at 320, right?
Yeah.
And then you're standing here, and then you make that. I'm going to get that in the shadow here. 340. So in that direction there, that's where we want to go to. Now, is there anything we can see over there that we can use as a guide to get there at this point?
There's a house that's kind of like, it's under a peak.
Under a peak,
yeah.
That's right. It's pretty well bang on, isn't it? Now, if we can't see Williams Lake from here, it's probably beyond that peak, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what we would do is head towards that house, and then when we get closer, we'll reorient ourselves again. We'll look on the map and reorient ourselves again with things we can see.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay. Now that's great, but how far is it? We want to know if it's going to take us, we don't have all day.
Yeah.
How far is it, do you think, roughly, from Piggy's Mountain here up to Williams Lake here? Is it?
Okay.
Do you know how to tell how far it is?
So these blocks on the blue blocks on the compass, on the map, are 1 kilometer.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you 2 ways I could do this.
Okay.
So I could estimate by going like that.
Right.
I could take it. Oh, sorry. About 3.
So it's about 3 kilometers.
Yeah, about 3. But I could also take my compass and use this ruler right here.
Right.
So I can measure this.
So you're measuring how far it is for 1 kilometer.
Yeah, so that would be 2.5 centimeters.
Okay.
So I would start from my location.
Yeah. So you're kind of doing it in units of 2.5.
Yeah. So that's just
a little over
3.
So a little over 3 kilometers.
Yeah.
So you know how many, like a typical walking, how many kilometers would you walk in an hour? Like if you're walking just down the street?
4.
Maybe 4 or 5, eh?
Yeah.
So that means it should really only take us an hour. But do you think we can get there in an hour?
No, because the elevation of the land.
So we got to go up and down, probably around things, and if there's a wet area, we got to go around them and stuff.
Yep.
So it's going to take us a couple hours to get up there, I would guess. But then we'll be really hot and bothered, and it'll be really good for a swim in Williams Lake.
Yeah.
Think so?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.